Ayinde, a very popular Oriki in Yoruba land. But very few Yoruba people know the deep meaning of this name. What does it mean? Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ìtúpalẹ̀ rẹ̀. Let us break it down. Ayinde. The main words in that Oriki are the verbs yin and de. Let us start with yin. Yin is a word that simply means to praise, to eulogize. It is from that single word that we got the word yin, which simply means praises or eulogy. Therefore, yin means to praise something or someone, to make someone feel good by increasing the size of their head, by making their head swell. But what about de? De has several meanings. It can mean to cover, from where we got the word ade or ideri, and many more things actually. But the one that relates to the name Ayinde is the one that talks about arrival. De can simply mean to come, to arrive. Mo ti dé, Baba tún ti dé. Father has come again. He has arrived again, as we have in the name Babatunde. Yeye tún ti dé. Mother has arrived again, as we have in the name Yetunde, and what have you. Who therefore is a child named Ayinde? The A that starts that name is a noun maker that can be said to mean he who. Therefore, Ayinde is he who arrives by being praised. Ọmọ tó máa ń dé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bá ti yìn. What does that even mean? Ayinde. This is a child who is believed to be a child that we love praises a lot. When a child is born, there are certain steps that are taken by our ancestors to know who this child is, to know what the qualities of this child would be, so that we can be sure of how to properly train the child. We believe that every child is unique. That is why we say Ori Ojori, Ori Ojo Ori, or Ori Oju Ori. We believe that every child has his own unique Ori. Now, there are certain children whose Ori is pleased when it is praised. This is the child to whom we give the Oriki, Ayinde. Ọmọ tó ṣe wípé tá a bá fẹ́ kí orí rẹ̀ dé, a gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ yìn. The arrival here simply means that the child is now in its elements. The child is now in a mental space or spiritual atmosphere that enables him to function normally like who he is. When that happens, the Yoruba describe it as an arrival. Ọmọ náà ti dé nìyẹn. For an Ayinde to be launched into this mode, he has to first be praised. Ìyìn ló máa ń mú orí Ayinde yá. What this is simply saying is that this child is one that you should always say nice things to. You should always encourage this child by telling him pleasant words. If you want this child to be in his best mood, just praise the child. And this is very true, actually. The Ayindes that I know, they always love to be praised. There is one that we all know, King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal. We all know how very much he loves being praised and praising others too, of course. So, if you have an Ayinde, either as a child, or as a husband, or as a fiancé, or as a friend, and you want what is best for them, always compliment them. Compliment their efforts. Encourage them by telling them that they are doing very well. Praise them and make them feel not only on top of the world, but as though they are the only ones in the world. That is what the Ori of an Ayinde demands. Ìyìn ló máa ń mú orí wọn yá. But an Ayinde is also a child to be praised and then to be covered. The covering here is referring to the child's head. Ọmọ tá ó yìn, tá wá dé orí rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú adé. A child to be praised, to be eulogized, and then crowned. This Oriki is strictly for male children, but there is a female version of it, and that one is Àyìnkẹ́ Wàá Ṣere.